The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Welcome back here on Good Day, Kansas. It is time to talk plants and gardening, which means we are at the best in the business. Bird flying by there. Right by, we are at Stutzman's here on North Rock Road here in Wichita, locations all across the state. Love having Ben Miller on. Ben, thanks for being with us today.
Thank you for being here and it's talking about birds.
Yeah.
We literally have finches making nests in some of our hanging baskets. We have a couple stores right now that have that. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, but I love, you feel like you're out in nature whenever you're at Stutzman's, and that's what makes it part of the fun of it, I guess. But
exactly.
Talking about something I don't really know a whole lot about today. Hibiscus.
Perennial hibiscus. A lot of people know about the tropical ones that come, you'll be planting them every year. A lot of different colors in that. But the perennial hibiscus is a large dinner plate size. We have some that are proven winners and some that other selections that we have. But the neat thing with these is the fact that the blooms are like almost dinner plate size, and lots of them. These are, obviously they're younger plants, but in their maturity, coming up by next year, you would have them, starting to bloom about the 1st of July in their natural setting, but and just lots of them. Blooms last maybe a day and a half, but you just constantly have new buds coming on, and you would see here on these young ones here, the buds are just starting to develop, so they'll be coming on flower here pretty quick.
Yeah, this one looks a little bit different. Tell us about that one.
There's difference in, there's green leaf varieties, there's bronze leaf varieties, some that are a little bit more of a oak leaf, or some that are a little bit more round. The oak leaf style is probably my favorite. Yeah. But just because it adds a little texture to it.
Yeah.
We also have one that's not showing here today, but that is a variegated leaf. That is really pretty cool.
Really?
It's a little different, but so great selection.
Yeah.
We grow a lot of them, and so they'll be coming into our stores, as the season progresses, even more varieties. So pretty cool.
How much maintenance is a hibiscus take?
Really, it's not. You get them planted. You don't want to plant them at the depth that we have the soil right now. We get these as bare root. Just looks like a cluster of roots, and we plant them up and break the dormancy and have them, coming on like this. Yeah. So they're young and just ready to really take off. Once you have them planted, I would recommend obviously feeding. Fertilizing is good, and mulching to just maintain the water, but initially they will take a fair bit of moisture.
Yeah, I feel like these are some of your favorites. I can tell just how you talk about them.
You can almost say that about any plant.
Yeah.
It's part of that geekiness that we are as farm kids, But no, it's a wonderful summer plant.
Yeah. Tell us how people get more information and get their hands on some hibiscus.
Always, all our stores have them.
Okay.
But for more information, always go to Stutzmans.com. We try to keep things posted up on that. Garden Club members typically get information earlier.
Okay.
And then also you can go to questions@Stutzmans.com, and that puts you directly in touch with Jason French, who does our Stutzmans Home and Garden Show that a lot of people really enjoy listening to.
Yeah, our gardening expert, Stutzmans, all across the state. Ben, thanks for being with us today.
Thank you.
Yeah, we have more Good Day, Kansas coming up right after this.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
We would like to say thank you to everyone who has shared and enjoyed the healthy lifestyle of gardening with us. Hi, this is Ben Miller. It's still Stutzman season. It's time to add or freshen up with our beautiful heat-loving summer plants that are now in stock at all our garden centers. These plants will pair perfectly with the planted flowers or enjoy them as stunning patio planters or hanging baskets. Just arrived. Gorgeous tropical houseplants plus cactus plants for your patio or home. Visit one of our garden centers or find us on Facebook or Stutzmans.com.
A Stutzman's greenhouse, everything's green with us.